It's going to do a short and sweet one today about the EM10 filters on the DS Lite boards. So we're going to test it, see if it works. I mean, this one should. I'm just doing it for the sake of doing it. So meter in continuity mode, so it beeps. So it should be continuous, bottom to bottom and top to top, not diagonal and not above each other. So this one's testing alright. That's good. That's good. But we're just gonna swap it over to another board anyway, just for the sake of it. That's what it looks like on that board. Sometimes they look a little different. Still the same part, does the same thing. You get the idea. They're a bit different between boards. So let's take that one off and put it on another one just for the sake of it, and we'll do it under the scope. So that's the EM10 filter there. I've just put a little bit of foil over that charging port. I don't want to burn the plastic of the charging port. Put a little bit of flux on. Let's get this hot air rocking and rolling. Just going to heat it up from above. Wiggle it off. And we'll put it on our other board. Bit of fun. Should be simple. Making sure not to tug on it too early. Don't want to rip any pads. Yeah, mom. Oh, there we go. So with that one off, we will get our other board. Our other board. Doesn't really matter if we put it on or not. Don't think this board works properly anyway, but a bit of fun, as we said. Get that area cleaned up. The good wick. We'll get it cleaned up first. Mine's not hot enough yet. That looks alright. Flux again. Flux is on. It's all done. On. Wet it up with the filter. There it is. Some more. That on there. Some flux, that is. Let's get that lined up. Out there. That'll hopefully do its little dance and sit in place. But we can help it. Let's move it over a little bit. Alright, there we go. Get off. That's done its little dance. Just going to push on it.
Alright, that's on. Looks alright. Solid. Let's test it under the multimeter again and see if it's still right.
So continuity mode again. Yep. Still seems right to me. So yeah, do that check, and if it's not charging, that might be your problem.